Do you wonder why stories like Star Wars, The Lion King, Rocky, The Matrix feel so unforgettable? It's not just the great characters, they all follow a formula, and it's called the hero's journey. And once you understand it, you can make your own stories unforgettable. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the hero's journey step by step so you can use it to make your own stories impossible to ignore. Hi, my name is Annie. I'm the author and creator of Legends of the West, my graphic novel, and welcome to AC, a graphic novel story. This is where I share my journey, the wins, the struggles, and everything between as I bring my graphic novel to life. If you're a storyteller, artist, or just love the process of making comics, you're in the right place. From ancient Greece, classic novel, comic books, to great movies, the hero's journey is a formula for storytelling that works. But who created the hero's journey and how did it become so popular in the storytelling world? Follow your bliss, and the universe will open doors for you where there were only walls. Joseph Campbell was an American mythologist who identified a pattern in heroic stories from different cultures and times. The hero undergoes common stages in his adventures. He describes these stages in his book, The Hero with a Thousand Faces. These stages are 12 steps divided in 3 acts. First act, departure, separation. Number 1, the ordinary world. It's the first place where the audience meets the main character for the first time in his ordinary life. Number 2, the call to adventure. The hero receives a challenge or an invitation that will change his ordinary life. Number 3, refuse of the call. The hero refuses the call to adventure because of insecurity, fears, danger, and uncertainties that make it hard for him to leave the safe haven of the ordinary world. Number 4, meeting the mentor. This is the part of the story where a mentor appears to the hero to offer support and guidance. The mentor is not necessarily a human. It can be under any form, like an animal, an object, a signal, a message, and so on. Number 5, crossing the threshold. The hero commits to the adventure. Everything starts at this point, and nothing will be the same as before. Once the hero crosses the threshold, there is no turning point. The hero's journey has begun. Second act, initiation, trials, and transformation. Number 6, test, allies, and enemies. This is the stage where the hero, together with the audience, steps into the secondary world and learns its rules. He is preparing himself for greater conflicts. He meets allies, enemies, or forges a team of heroes. The hero begins testing his capabilities. Number 7, approach to the inmost cave. This is the stage where the hero must prepare to approach the inmost cave that will lead into the heart of the central ordeal. Planning an attack, training before a battle, questioning feelings of a lover, or weakening an enemy are just few examples of the many possibilities in this stage. Number 8, the ordeal. The hero encounters difficult challenges and conflicts. He is battling with the most inner fears. In this stage, everything seems lost and the hero is falling apart. In this phase can occur the death of a friend, a mentor, or a breakup with a loved one. Number 9. Reward. The hero overcomes the ordeal and earns a reward. Anything can represent a reward, like a return of a loved one, a friendship reunited, a treasure conquering a land, or a person. The hero is celebrating his victory and peace prevails. Third act. Return resolution. Number 10. The road back. A threat into the ordinary world might cause the hero to take the road back. A villain may regain forces and search for revenge. Sometimes the heroes must choose between an internal or external decision. Number 11. Resurrection. This is the highest stake of the hero's journey. The hero resurrects from the death and reborn. He uses everything that he learned during his journey to fight his final battle. The hero must prove that he conquered his fears and learned his lessons. Now he is ready to fight one more time for the benefit of the ordinary world. Number 12. Return with the elixir. This is the end of the hero's journey. The hero resurrected and fought his final battle. He won, and the ordinary world is safe again. He defeated the enemy and conquered his love. He overcame his fears, insecurities, and obstacles. He crossed the unknown, the danger, and now he is back into the ordinary world with the knowledge and everything that he learned in the secondary world. That's the hero's journey, the blueprint of storytelling, and I'll be using it to build my graphic novel page by page. Stick around and we'll create this adventure together.